What am I going to do without him?
Why do you always come here wearing that same outfit?
I told you, it was his favorite.
He doesn't give a shit what you're wearing.
What's wrong with you? I just lost my husband.
Gloria, that was more than 6 months ago.
I know. But it's still strange coming home and sleeping in a cold bed.
You came home to a cold bed when he was alive, and you weren't giving any up anyway.
Don't be so crass. We had an understanding.
Yeah. He understood how to make excuses for not coming home, and you understood how not to notice. This denial thing of yours is getting old.
So he had his faults.
That's putting it mildly.
Just never really liked Martin.
I like him now. Hated how he treated you.
I know he was seeing other women. But of course, I never said anything. But outside of that, he was a good husband.
Oh, so those occasional cuts and bruises on you was his way of taking care of you?
I didn't know how to tell you what was really going on. Martin never laid a hand on me. I did it to myself.
You're not gonna stand here and shovel this crap.
I don't even know why. I couldn't talk to anybody about it. Martin didn't believe in shrinks.
He never laid a hand on you? He knew what was happening with you?
I'm not sure. He never said anything. I covered them up with makeup. I don't know.
Oh my God.
I was waiting for the right time to tell you.
Well, I guess you found it. Do you remember the night Martin died?
Of course. He was at the bar with one of his girlfriends. The doctor said high blood alcohol level triggered the heart attack. Why are you asking?
Well, on my way home from work that night, I parked the car around the corner and went and sat at the bar for a while. I just sat and watched them.
You were there? Why didn't you say anything?
He saw me at the bar and shot me that I don't give a shit look. He picked up his drink and toasted the air with it and turned back to Little Miss Whoever. So I ordered them another round on me. And when the bartender turned away to make change, I added a little this to his drink.
What's that?
I like to call it Restitution. It's odorless, tasteless, but best of all, untraceable.
What? What did you just say? What did you do? Patricia, what did you do?